What's up, YouTube? Hey, check this out. I'm gonna give you guys another quick tip. You live in Lake County, one of the last places to get a $3 car wash. And I mean, for me, man, my truck is filthy. It's not a beauty queen, so for me, this is gonna be perfectly fine. So go ahead and fill up one time. Yo, the other night was crazy. Look at the boots. And yes, I'm gonna get the truck washed with the boots in the car. So this marathon is on Green Bay and Wadsworth. All right, so they're supposed to normally give you a receipt, so I'm gonna go inside and get the receipt. All right, let's put the mask on. All right. So the biggest thing with this car wash is that it's kind of tight getting in there, but besides that, man, this is the last place you can get a $3 car wash, and for me and my work truck, it's right up my alley. So let me show you what it's looking like. One-handed, I might crash because it's so tight in here, but I gotta go all the way to this edge right here and turn in. Gotta reverse back. Nope. Told you I was gonna do it.
You have purchased the express wash. You may enter the wash if it
Woo!
is.
Y'all, I knew I was gonna do it, man. Let's see, slide. Man, listen, I knew I was gonna do it. Back up. Oh man, I knew I was gonna do it. So I think that's just my stepper panel, bro. I always do that, bro. I'm terrible. Cause I was drinking last night, so I'm terrible. But this is the cheapest car wash you can get. It's a little tight. I normally only come here like in my cars, but for my truck, this is gonna get the job done. So when I'm done, I'm gonna give you guys some little videos of me walking around so that you can see what it looks like. But man, that's it. So I'm gonna bring y'all back in a bit. All right, let's see the damage I did. All right, so $3. Wash my shoes for me too. Okay. Let's see how my shoes look. Yeah, they washed my shoes for me too. But yeah, scraping up my panel down here, guys. But that was good enough for me, man. So for $3, quick car wash, Wadsworth in Green Bay. Make sure you come out, man. Get you a nice little car wash. Don't run into the little red pole like I did. So if you like that video, man, hit that like button. Hopefully it helps somebody out. Until next time, peace.